Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Imagine a workout style that aligns with your personal likes and dislikes. Perhaps you thrive on the adrenaline rush of high-intensity interval training, or maybe you prefer the calming flow of yoga. Or maybe Pilates, with its focus on core strength and flexibility, is more your speed. The key is to find a style that you genuinely enjoy, because when you love what you do, consistency comes naturally. So identify one workout style that you enjoy and fits your fitness level. This will make it easier to stay consistent. If you prefer working out at home, creating a dedicated workout space can boost motivation. It's not about having the fanciest equipment or the largest room. It's about creating a space that inspires you to move. This could be as simple as clearing a spot in your living room, laying down a yoga mat, and setting out a few resistance bands. It's about making your workout space a priority. So, designate a space in your home for exercise. It could be a corner with a yoga mat and resistance bands, or a cleared-out area for bodyweight exercises. Day 7 calls for a full-body workout routine that targets different muscle groups and boosts your metabolism. We're going to introduce a series of exercises that you can easily perform at home or the gym. Full-body workouts are the Swiss Army knife of exercise routines. They engage multiple muscle groups at once, helping to improve your strength, flexibility, and endurance. Let's start with some dynamic stretches to warm up your body. Then we'll move on to squats, lunges, and push-ups to work your lower and upper body. Don't forget about your core. Planks and sit-ups will help strengthen those muscles. We'll round it off with some cardio like jumping jacks or burpees. Remember, these exercises not only build strength but also increase your heart rate, promoting calorie burn and weight loss. So, are you ready? Join me in this full-body workout routine. No special equipment needed, just your commitment and energy. Consistency is the key to seeing results. It's crucial to stay committed to your workout routine, even on days when time seems scarce. Remember, each workout is a stepping stone towards your goal. Don't let the hustle and bustle of life deter you from your path. Instead, weave your workouts into the fabric of your daily routine. Consider them as vital as any other appointment in your schedule. So, let's get proactive. Schedule your workouts for the upcoming week and treat them as non-negotiable appointments. Congratulations on completing Day 7 of our weight loss challenge. Today, we discovered our unique workout style, set up a dedicated home workout space, and got moving with a full-body workout routine. The journey towards a healthier lifestyle is all about consistency and commitment. So, what's your fitness goal? Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's workout routine, give this video a thumbs up. Stay motivated, stay positive, and I'll see you for Day 8.